Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special for all the DIY enthusiasts and Marvel fans out there. This is hands down the best Thor's hammer with tools you can get your hands on, a multifunctional hammer tool set that combines superhero style with practical functionality. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the striking design inspired by Thor's iconic hammer. This tool set isn't just about looks, though. It features a high-quality, forged carbon steel hammer head plated with a shiny chrome finish, giving it both strength and durability. The handle is made from alloy steel with an ergonomic grip, designed to offer excellent comfort and control whether you're hammering nails or tackling home repairs. Inside the sleek silver toolbox, you'll find a comprehensive DIY repair kit. This includes a long-handle claw hammer, combination pliers made from carbon steel, a high-quality adjustable wrench, a digital electrical tester, and a versatile 10-piece bit set. On top of that, the kit offers hex keys, socket keys, electrical tape, and hand tool tape, everything you need for furniture assembly, car repairs, and general home improvement projects. One of the standout features of this kit is the compact and robust blow-molded carrying case. Measuring roughly 23 by 39 by 14 centimeters, it's easy to carry and store. The interior is intelligently designed with organizers that keep each tool secure and in place, so nothing rattles around or gets lost. This makes it perfect not just for your home workshop but also for keeping in your car or taking along on the go. What really elevates this product is how it merges practicality with a collectible appeal. The toolbox itself mimics the old silver shell of Thor's weapon, making it a fantastic display piece when it's not in use. Whether you're a fan of superheroes or simply looking for a unique and reliable toolset, this Thor hammer toolset delivers on both fronts. The tools are crafted with durability in mind, using high-gloss chrome plating for corrosion resistance and forged steel to withstand heavy use. Ergonomics aren't overlooked either, so you won't find your hand aching after a few minutes of work. Every piece is designed to be versatile and useful for a wide range of tasks around the house. If you're searching for a gift, this toolkit is a perfect choice. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, or just as a cool surprise for anyone who loves practical tools with a touch of superhero magic. The blend of iconic design, solid build quality, and useful tools makes this a gift that's both fun and functional. To sum up, this Thor hammer multifunctional toolset is more than just a novelty. It's a powerful, ergonomic, and well-equipped kit that brings the spirit of a hero into your everyday projects. If you want a toolset that stands out in both design and performance, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique product insights. See you next time.